Good morning guys. Today nandito po tayo sa province of Cotabato guys, and look at the surrounding guys. I'm basically in the province, not in the urban city. And we're here today guys, and I'm just gonna feature to you one thing that's part of the Filipino custom. So nandito tayo ngayon guys kasi today is the blessing, and pakita ko lang sa iyo yung favorite food ng mga Pilipino. And just a warning guys, no, maybe some of you, my viewers, is not fond of looking at this particular thing, so stay away na lang. Okay, all right. So I'm gonna feature you guys something about litson and the way it is prepared guys. Okay, so tingnan natin guys yung preparation namin. So ito guys yung plant namin, ayan. And then dito naman guys nag-prepare na po sila ng litson. And Chichi here is cooking fried chicken. How's the fried chicken, Chi?
Okay lang.
Okay lang. Ayan guys, yun yung fried chicken guys. Alright, sarap guys, no? Ito naman guys are the intestines. Tinatad-tad yan, tapos hinahaluan ito guys. So, ganun siya kasarap guys, no? Ayan. So ayan, Bon, saan na yung guluto, Bon?
Pang dinuguan na kuya.
Dinuguan, ayay, sarap guys. Ayan, lutong-luto na. Ayan, sarap. Woo! Got, ano to got? It's a mix of langka guys. Ayan, sarap guys. Woo! Okay guys, so ito yung pinipicture natin. Ito yung litson. Ayan. So para sa mga tao dyan na hindi sanay matingin dito against animal cruelty, wag na lang tumingin guys. Okay, so napakasarap ng litson natin guys. This is what we call litson, and I hope you like it guys. Ayan guys, napakaganda ng surrounding natin. So ayan guys, tapos na, luto na po yung litson natin, and we're just gonna try guys how crispy this is, and for you guys to be here and be able to taste guys. Look at that. Yun yung sign guys na napaka-crispy ng balat guys. And ang sarap. Ang sarap talaga guys. Ayan. Tingnan natin. Subukan natin guys. Napakasarap guys. As in, sarap talaga guys. Yan guys. Kain ka nilson. Sarap talaga.